Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Best Places City Comparison, a powerful tool that helps you compare and contrast different cities across the United States. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of using this tool to make informed decisions about where to live, work, or visit. First, start by visiting the Best Places website and clicking on the City Comparison tab. From there, you can select up to 4 cities to compare, either by typing in the city name or by using the drop-down menu. You can choose cities that you are considering moving to, or cities that you are simply curious about. Once you have selected your cities, the tool will generate a comprehensive report that compares a wide range of factors, including cost of living, housing, education, healthcare, transportation, and more. The report will provide you with a detailed breakdown of each city, including statistics and rankings. To get the most out of the tool, focus on the factors that are most important to you. For example, if you are looking to relocate for a job, you may want to pay close attention to the employment and economy sections of the report. If you are looking to start a family, you may want to focus on the education and healthcare sections. One of the most useful features of the Best Places City Comparison tool is the ability to customize the report to fit your specific needs. You can adjust the weights assigned to each factor, so that the tool gives more importance to the things that matter most to you. This allows you to get a more accurate picture of which city is the best fit for you. In addition to the city comparison report, the Best Places website also provides a wealth of other information and resources, including city profiles, cost of living calculators, and forums where you can connect with others who are considering a move. By taking advantage of these resources, you can get a more complete understanding of each city and make a more informed decision. By following these steps and using the Best Places City Comparison tool, you can make a more informed decision about which city is the best fit for you. Remember to focus on the factors that are most important to you, and to take advantage of the customization options to get the most out of the tool. With this powerful tool at your disposal, you can compare and contrast different cities with ease, and find the perfect place to call home.